Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by creating a clean, closed vector shape and making sure strokes are converted to fills when necessary. This avoids unexpected blending. Once your shape is ready, pick the Mesh tool U and click inside to place the first row and column of mesh points. You want a minimal grid to start, add only what you need. Then use Direct Selection, A, to nudge individual points so the mesh follows your form. This sets up natural color flow and prevents harsh seams later. Now refine the mesh by adding targeted nodes where highlights, midtones, or shadows should sit. You create more control where detail matters. Use the eyedropper eye to sample accurate colors from a photo or palette, or pick colors manually at each mesh point to guide transitions. Once colored, manipulate the tangent handles on points to smooth interpolation. Tighter handles sharpen transitions, wider handles soften them. Make sure to alternate adding points and adjusting handles so the gradient feels continuous and organic. Finish by cleaning small artifacts. Tweak nearby mesh point colors and subtly reshape handles until bands disappear. Once done, you can group and save the result as a graphic style or a swatch for consistent reuse. For output, expand appearance and rasterize at the target DPI, or embed the vector in PDFs when scalability is needed. If you see patching or weird seams, reduce color jumps between adjacent points and slightly reposition points to redistribute gradients. That single adjustment typically fixes most mesh glitches.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.